How you doing? It's update time and I'm going to take you for a little wander around the house where we're at, another week, and a big change. So I turn the camera around in here and let you have a look at the kitchen. We haven't got our surfaces yet, but you can certainly get a sense of what the kitchen's going to feel like. It's nice when you've seen it on the plans and you have an idea of what it might feel like, and then I can actually think, well, I'm going to be standing here doing the cooking because I do most of the cooking in the house, and I'll be reaching back here to go into the ovens and washing at the sink there, and also the view. This is the view that I will get. Obviously the garden is a little bit unkempt at the moment, but it will look a lot better in time. So that's all pretty exciting to see how that's coming together, and I was quite keen in the kitchen design that it wasn't a through kitchen. It's not going anywhere. You have to come to the kitchen to cook, and that is it. And the other thing is nice easy access into the utility room. I just walk off this way. We can have the doors propped open as we wish. This is the other big change, that we've had some units installed, and it really doesn't take a trained carpenter very long to do this. I think it came up in a couple of days, both of these rooms and the units, just measuring, getting everything level. So that's in there. We'll have our washing machine, boiler. It's going to feel fairly compact in this room, but this is obviously a room that people don't really see. So we thought if there is going to be one room that might be a little short on space, it will be this one. And then the rails will be down there to hang clothes. So it's been a fairly quiet week. I mentioned that we've got this issue with the water and how our water company actually doesn't know where their water main is, and so that's going to delay us. Hopefully it won't delay us past the completion date that we had, but we thought we were running ahead of time. So it's funny how something like that can then just knock you back, but hopefully not knock us back, just get us back to our original schedule. So no progress really in the bathrooms or anything like that. You've probably seen all the tiling, etc. This is the last thing to show you, where we will store clothes. I don't know whether I am on this side and the wife is on the other side, but you can see it's more or less done, other than there'll be some rails to hang clothes. But that's going to be a nice amount of space, and one of the great things about a walk-in cupboard is it's going to have a mirrored door on it that can just be closed. So happy with that. I think it's going to be one very luxurious master bedroom.